back to where I was a couple of years ago, Angel Bay, and I've got a seal behind me. I thought I'd seen something. Now whether I've got it on camera or not, I don't know. I did glance him, but he's obviously come out to check me out. Hopefully he doesn't come too close. Beautiful day. I can't... Yes, there is a second seal in front of me. So difficult trying to keep the kayak in position. But I'll have to chance it. I've got him on the viewfinder. It's nice to have the sun out, but it's difficult actually to see the LCD screen of the camera when the sun's like this. See if I can go back to the other one, who's just conveniently disappeared. Let's hope he doesn't suddenly emerge like Jaws under the boat. Don't know where he is, I can't see him. Okay, some more film a bit later, I think.